Test. 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 New mic. Test. Test. Test.
Here I come from the west side,
Test. Test.
the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. Where's Garrett? Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett? Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me.
Hey everybody.
Don't fry, don't fry
Just give me one more second here. I was waiting for some viewers to come in. Usually try to give it a few minutes. It's cold where I'm streaming from, so I'm trying to heat the area. All right, so I'll be with you in just a moment. I got a new mic, so feel free to leave a comment to let me know how the mic sounds, if I need to turn it up or down, if the music's too loud. I haven't used this mic before, so just let me know that everything's working, whoever's viewing. All right, thank you. I will be with you shortly.
more carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett? Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
All right, I know everybody's been waiting for this stream specifically. I've had a lot of questions towards how this could be done. I'm super excited to be here. I have to go back to work tomorrow, so that's not super exciting.
Where's Garrett?
But I have some great information to share with you. This is not a scam coin. This is not, a Ponzi scheme like SafeMoon. This is a legit utility, and like I have posted in the title, even the Doge coin could possibly get you a free or discounted vacation, right? So I want to explain how that can be done and what other assets are available in the marketplace that are accepted. And I just wanted to remind you guys, this is not financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. So please enjoy this fantastic. This is like almost a secret in the crypto space. Not a lot of people know about this. I have not talked to anybody specifically who I know in people, in person form here that knows about this. So I wanted to share it and hopefully you could share my stream with your friends and your family, and allow them to get some of this great knowledge. Right, I'm providing this for free for you. So I've already spent all the time doing the research. So let's get on with it, right? So how could a person, if they wanted to, earn 100% free or majorly discounted vacation with crypto, right? Is that even possible? And is it legit? So these are all questions that one person may ask when they're trying to figure this kind of thing out, right? And a lot of people haven't even heard of something like this. A lot of people aren't even talking about this yet, which is why it's such a great opportunity. You're finding out about this before it's cool. I swear. All right. So anyways, let's go over to, let me find my, is my mic sound okay? I see I got 3 viewers here. Can someone just send an okay, an up? Can you even hear me? Can anybody hear me? Because I did buy a new mic today. I switched from a Bluetooth headset down to an actual mic. This is a Blue Ice Snowball mic, I believe. It was like $50, but I wanted to get something more professional. Can somebody just send me a message across the chat to just let me know that the mic is working? That would be great. I don't have any test viewers right now, so if my live viewers, the 2 that are there, please send a message across the chat if you could. But I'm going to continue on with the stream here, and so if I go over to my Google here and just make sure everything's working here. Yep, everything looks good. We can see everything. I've been having issues with having the right thing on the right screen and being able to see it. It's really difficult, guys. So what you could do if you wanted to earn a free vacation is, first off, you would have to purchase some crypto. There are certain cryptos that are able to be spent. You can use them as currency. Excuse me. You can use them as currency to pay for these vacations, and you can get different types of vacation packages. You can travel in different ways. There's a lot of just great things. So to start off, like I said, you would need a crypto wallet. Now, viewers, if you're trying to legitimately do this, you really can't. I mean, you maybe could if you did some weird stuff and whatever, but like, you really want to do this the right way. If you're going to own the crypto and try to earn passive income, which is the term of the day, if you're trying to earn passive income to get this vacation, so let's just say, what does that mean, passive income to earn this vacation? So let's just say you had like $1,000 or $500 or $200, right? There's some vacations you could go on for $200, at least the plane ticket, right? Or at least the bus ticket or the train ticket or whatever you're getting. Maybe you have the money for the vacation itself, but you want to get maybe you had a gain on your crypto and you wanted to take a small amount of that profit and convert that to a spendable, or I'm sorry, not spendable, a transgressible ticket, right? Or like, say you wanted to go to Egypt, or I'm not exactly sure. We're going to take a look today exactly what places you can cash in and what crypto you can cash in for which places. If you were, say you made an investment in crypto, and depending on which investment it is, and if you selected the right wallet, which I have answers to some of those questions here at Crypto Construction 21. So if you were able to take some of your coin that is accepted, and that coin also has staking rewards, there is a possibility that you could take your investment, put your investment into a certain crypto. I'm not exactly sure which one, but you could put it into a crypto, that is accepted for payment and through staking rewards. So, for those of you viewers who don't know what staking rewards are passive income, right? So, you're holding your digital wallet, and your digital wallet allows third-party staking. So what you can do is you can purchase some cryptocurrencies and you can stake them in a wallet that allows that network to function faster. It might just help hold liquidity in a pool. It's a smaller, more risk, but it's not, in my opinion, it's not that much more of a risk if you know what you're doing and which and you got to know where to stake it, right? You want to get the most yield for your staking, so that way when you're at work, you're earning crypto. So let's just say, Tron. I know they have great staking. Say you bought some Tron, right? You're at work, you're earning Tron. You're going to the bathroom, you're earning Tron. You're sleeping, you're earning Tron. And that's all just through staking. So it's like earning interest on your crypto, right? There's certain places that you can't do that, right? So Coinbase, the regular Coinbase, you don't get staking rewards. It's more of like a centralized wallet. I'm pretty sure, I don't have the Coinbase Pro wallet, so I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure Coinbase Pro is you actually get your mnemonic phrases for your wallet. But realistically, even if you just used Coinbase, guys, I use the Atomic wallet sometimes, and I use a lot of different wallets. Yeah, I'm all over the place, but I like the Atomic wallet in particular. So let's see if I can pull up some stuff about the Atomic. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because if one wanted to buy into a crypto and stake it, they could put so much money in, let it sit there for like 2-3 years, maybe, right? 2 years, maybe less. This is just like, hearsay, but you could let it sit in there and earn the staking rewards on it. So every day you're earning this passive income of that coin, right? And eventually, let's just say you earned enough of that coin to get this vacation, and then you actually just let that coin sit in there long enough to earn back the original investment that you put in. So you could actually put in, say, $300, let it stake until you get 300 more bucks, and then now your $300 you originally put in there is back to your original investment. Now it's a lot easier with the more that you stake, the more that you get back in return, right? The more you stake, the more yield you get. So some of these yields are 10%, 15%, 7%. And the cool thing is let's just say you're staking in a specific coin in a wallet, and you're getting 10% on that coin, but that coin is not accepted where I'm about to show you next for that vacation that you're trying to earn. You can just simply go to an exchange, send your coin to the exchange or exchange right in your wallet, and you can actually exchange it right there for the coin that's accepted on Truvala. So you can actually maximize this strategy that I'm trying to teach you. So you could stake your investment in the highest yielding stake that's available in your wallet. So, if there's like a 4%, a 6%, a 7%, a 10%, you'd probably want to go for the 10% yield. And that's something that's available. That's there. You're not going to get that from a bank, a centralized bank. So say you're getting 10% interest on your $1,000, you're earning a couple bucks on that $1,000, and it's just sitting there. So long term, if you left it there, and let's just say, you're earning that staking yield of 10% on the value of the coin that you hold, right? So as you earn more coin, because of the staking yield that they're giving you as payment for staking, right? The value of the coin, say, could go up, which we've seen a lot with these crypto assets. They go up, right? So let's just say the value of the coin goes up. Now it's going to take you that much less time to earn that free vacation. And this is all legit. Like, these are some of the real utilities that you get out of a quality crypto, not SafeMoon, not Dogecoin. Like, yeah, you could actually take your profits right now. If you were sitting on a fat chunk of Doge profits, and you could buy yourself a vacation right now with Doge. You can. I'm about to show you. And if you know anybody who's got profits of Doge and they would love to buy a vacation with their Doge profits, because there's a lot of people out there, you know, as much as I'm not for Doge, if you have the money and you want to buy a vacation with your Doge, congratulations. I am so proud of you. Like, that's awesome. I'm just personally not an investor of the Dogecoin or SafeMoon. They're, you know, SafeMoon especially, but the Dogecoin is kind of already, it's seen its major hype, I think. So anyways, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the website I'm talking about for the vacation. And then I'm actually going to get into some of the details about it, just so you know I'm not lying. Because I've got you in here for a few minutes already, and I just want to show you I'm not lying. You can pay for a vacation with crypto. Ready? All right, so I'm going to figure this out. Okay, so I typed in Travala, TRAVALA.com. This is actually a blockchain-based travel agency. They've been around for a couple years now, like 4 years. I've heard good things about them from a lot of the other investors that I take my knowledge from, and all the research I've done. I've just heard good things. So if you were to go over to Travala.com, you can even type in Travala.com pay with crypto, just so you make sure you get the right website. And guys, make sure you're not getting phished. Make sure you're not getting scammed. When you click on these websites, you're not really supposed to enter your mnemonic phrase for your wallets, your secret passkeys ever on these things. Like, there is other ways to access your wallet. Like, there's ways that you can access your wallet and send payments without them getting those keys. So, like, really watch and pay attention to what you're doing, because if you give those 12 words out to anybody, they have access to your wallet. Okay, so you don't want people stealing your stuff. Don't put your passcodes on the internet. You're supposed to write them down on a piece of paper and store them in a waterproof and fireproof safe. That's right, guys. Buy a $35 to $40 safe, so that way when you're storing your crypto passwords, they cannot get burned or waterproof, because once those passwords are gone, your crypto's gone. So any investments that you have can be eliminated. There's no way to get it back. So make sure you keep your passwords safe. You're your own bank, okay? So you're going to come over here with pay with credit card and cryptocurrency, Travala.com. Click on that, and you're going to get this page, okay? And let me see here if I can get I'm just going to minimize. I'm going to hide my webcam for a minute, because you guys don't need to see beautiful me. I want you to see all the details on this page, but you'll still be able to hear me, okay? So I'm going to minimize my webcam. All right. And I'm going to move the beer of the stream. I'm just going to make that smaller for now. I'll fix it. Don't worry, chat. I know you guys want to know the beer of the stream. It's amazing. Not always, but, you know. Beer of the stream is a great idea, right? And I haven't even gotten to tell you about the altcoin fridge, because I don't have no viewers yet. So, but anyways, getting on with things. So if you look at this screen, you have I believe this is what is that true? Ooh, Ava, nice. Might be a good crypto to look into, guys. Ava coin, AVA. That's Truvala's native coin, I believe. So that would be a good way. You could convert one of your cryptos into Ava coin, which is the Travala coin, and you could simply just come over here and pay with it. And I'm sure you get discounts if you pay with the Travala native coin. We'll probably look into that. So what we did was we went to Travala.com, payment options here, and these are I'm going to actually name off all the cryptos that you can use to pay for a vacation via Travala.com. So actually, I'll just list all the payment methods. So we got the native token, which is AVA, AVA for the ticker, and that's the True Value token. Credit card, Binance Pay, Crypto.com Pay. We've seen a lot of great benefits with the Crypto.com native coin, the Crow coin. You can actually get a debit card on there to use your crypto if you would like. I'm an investor. I'm really against spending the crypto unless it's massive gains that you want to cash out. But like, I'm trying to hold for long term. I'm a long term trader. I'm not a short term trader. So, but yeah, you can get great. So not only could you get Crypto.com rewards, but you could also use Crypto.com/pay right here to pay for a cash out to pay for your vacation, guys. It's amazing. So they also take Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, native coin, Doge, ADA Cardano, USD Tether. This is the USD Tether on the TRC20 network. That's the Tron network for those of you who are not familiar. Tron has the TRC20 and the TRX20 tokens. I believe it's TRX. I know it's the TRC20. I'm not sure what the other one is, but the USDT over here is on the ERC20 network. So this is for the Ethereum-based USD Tether. Okay, so this is Tron USD Tether, and this is Ethereum USD Tether. If you don't know the difference, you know, if somebody actually cares, then they'll message me about it or send a comment or something, and then I'll do a stream about it. But otherwise, you know, I'm not going to sit here and explain the difference. But you guys also got XRP, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Link, XLM, VeChain, sorry, USDC, SXP, Tron, TRX is Tron, EOS, XMR, which is Monero, BUSD, Binance. I'm not sure what BUSD is. It's an ERC20 token, so it's on the Ethereum blockchain, but I'm not sure what that one is. BUSD. It might just be another stable coin. You got Tezos, which is XTZ, DAI, DAI. You got Dash, XEM, Waves, Zilliqua, ECLD, FTM, BAT, which is basic attention token, Digibyte, Nano. I did some talking about Digibyte recently at Beach. Some of these assets, guys, I'm literally talking about on stream all the time. I just keep talking about them. And here you go. Here's one of the reasons that I'm holding the coins that I've held. You know, I'm not like out here trying to quit my job or nothing. I go to work every day. I'm just out here trying to share the knowledge. You know, I'm not a millionaire. I'm not rich. I'm just trying to share the knowledge that I have, okay? But if you were to buy some of these coins now, and the crypto market keeps growing the way that it has, realistically, guys, you can have a free vacation in a year or two. You know, yeah, you would be taking a lot of profits, but you know, and you know, which coin, you know? Well, look at the top movers. Look at what some of these charts have done over the past 12 months. You think it'll happen again? Do you think it's going to tank again? You know, ask these questions. Why? Why is that going to happen? Now, which one of these could you actually get through passive income? By literally going to sleep and going to work just by letting your money sit in a savings account and earning rewards, you could potentially get a free vacation on the money you invested without ever taking out your investment, guys. For real. And that's a beautiful thing. So if you guys really want me to talk more about this, I mean, I got so much more to go on about it. We're just getting started. But could you please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, share it real quick. Take 5 seconds. You won't miss anything. I'm going to crack this beer that I'm about to do a review for. You know, I'm not going to stop the stream or anything because I do have so much more to show on how to do this and everything. But please, guys, help me out. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like. Hit the share button. Get it out there. Get this information to people who need it. People that deserve, somebody that deserves a free vacation. That's got a little bit, like, a couple bucks sitting around. And even if it's not free, like, if you don't have $200 or $300 or $1,000 to invest right now, put in 50, put in 10. Over time, add to your position. Turn that 10 into 30, turn that, that 20 into 40, whatever. Like, just start growing an account. It's really all you would have to do, over time. The crypto market's going nuts right now, guys. Bitcoin does like 200% a year, and some of these cryptos are doing thousands and thousands of percent, 10,000%, 1,000, and that's like over time. That's not in a month. SafeMoon, 3,000% in 1 month. Not realistic, guys. Come on. But 3,000% in 2 years? I mean, put some money in there for 2 years. It goes up 3,000%. You got 5 vacations or something, The potential's there. So yeah, you can go over to Truvala and pay for these vacations. They have a nice privacy policy. They're backed by Visa, MasterCard, Stripe, CryptoPay, Binance Pay, and Swipe. I said Stripe and Swipe, right? So you can get gift cards. You can invite people. We can click and check the AVA token. I'm sure you get probably some benefits. I'm actually interested in this right now too, so this is cool. I love when I get into like my own research live, right? Like, oh, I haven't actually learned about this yet, and now I'm actually diving into it because I only knew a little bit about it, and now I'm learning so much more. It's great how much it takes. It's a little bit of research, right? So, anyways, if you can just hit the share button on Facebook, hit the share button on YouTube, and for those of you who don't know, on Facebook we are at Underdog Investing at Crypto Construction 21. And the link for YouTube and Twitch, I don't know where that is. I'm gonna have to post that stuff. I'm working on it. So, just share what you can. If you're on YouTube right now, you can click the share button, hit the link, share it to your Facebook, let your friends know. This is legit, guys. I'm not playing with you. This is how you do it. It's how you earn free vacations on Truvala. So this is the AVA token that we're going to be getting into here for a second. And so like, what is an AVA token, right? So like, say you're going to trade over, hypothetically, ADA, right? So some Cardano. And that's what you had. Say that came up a couple bucks, you came up on some profit. You wanted to go, say you want to go visit your grandma in New York, you want to see grandma in New York or whatever. So what you want to do is maybe trade your ADA token for AVA token, right? So if there is, which a lot of times there is, special bonuses for paying in the native token on a smart contract website, what you could do is you could trade your ADA for AVA, and then when you check out, you get, oh, look at that, guys, as I'm talking about it, never been to this website before, never even knew about any of this stuff. I'm just talking about it, and that's right there. Smart discounts. Get up to 5% discount from booking made on the platform based on your smart level. That's ironic, but the discount will be applied directly to the listed price on the platform. You got a smart loyalty. You get 5% loyalty reward for booking made on the platform on your smart level after you've completed your stay, paid directly to your wallet. And you get a bonus reward of 8.04% of your locked AVA amount paid per year directly to your Truvala wallet just for being a member. Wow, guys, that's crazy. That's such a great deal. So not only can you earn staking of other coins and then trade them for vacations, you can also get a Truvala wallet, guys, right here. Truvala wallet. Just for being a member, they reward you with 8.04% yield for staking on the AVA token. I mean, I might check this out. You know, this is great. And they only ever release more benefits, right? Like, they're not going to just take them away. Oh, I hope the mic didn't catch that. It probably did. It's all right. So, they will price guarantee any vacation cheaper, and you get to, if you find a vacation cheaper than Trivala.com, it says it right here. If you find a vacation cheaper than Trivala.com, they will pay you the difference in AVA token of their price to the other person's price. So they're actually reward. If you do some research and you find some vacation and they offer it on Trivala and it is cheaper, they will literally pay you for that, for telling them that, because they will probably lower their price, right? Crazy stuff in the crypto market right now. Now you can, this is an Australian based company, guys. Oh, there's wallets down here too, so I can talk about how to do that. Awesome. And look, there's the Atomic. I was just talking about that. It's one of the wallets that I like. It's a hot wallet. It's not as secure as like the Ledger or the Trezor. Don't see the EliPal on here, which is weird. I like the EliPal. But it'll be there eventually as a newer wallet. The EliPal is a newer wallet. So anyways, there's more stuff coming soon. It looks like they're releasing more things. Okay, so there's also a spend and shop icon here. Spend and shop with your AVA as payment at over 5,000 e-commerce merchants worldwide, made possible by our strategic partnership with CoinGate. So what that means, guys, for those of you who don't know, if you're staking your coin, say you staked some AVA coin on the Trivala wallet, right? Not only are you earning that 8.4% back on whatever investment you put in per year, and you can spend that on vacations, but you also can spend those rewards at over 5,000 e-commerce merchants. That's like Amazon, Walmart, Target, crap like that. Okay, so like you're literally just getting paid to, that's what I'm talking about, passive income. Oh, term of the day, right? So we're gonna go over the term of the day, and that is passive income. And I just wanted to read this to you. Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. In essence, you can do most of the work up front and put some additional effort along the way to earn an income. So like you're earning money without doing anything. So like say you're going to work 8 hours a day. Would you like to earn more money while you're at work? Of course you would. That's great. Who wouldn't want to earn money for free while you're at work for simply just having a savings account, basically? And then you can cash that in over here. I see there's a new viewer there. How you doing? We're talking about how to get a 100% free vacation for for exchanging your crypto for a vacation, right? So some of the rewards you can get, we were talking about the smart discounts, the smart loyalty, and the staking rewards, the passive income that you get by if you were to pay for your vacation with AVA tokens there. You would get the 8.4% back a year on your investment, and you could cash that in for these great things. So now down here we have some of the wallets that you can use in order to make this purchase. Okay, so you'll probably have to do like a wallet extension or something like that. Make sure you're not giving out your mnemonic phrases. It says you can store your AVA. So this is great news. I was actually looking for this information myself. I think I might become a holder of some of this AVA token. That's just my opinion. This is not financial advice, guys, but for all these rewards that are in here, and for some of the staking rewards I'm already getting, it would make sense for me to probably hold some of this native coin, right? Because even if 8.4% yield annually, give me a bank. Name one bank that will give you 8.4% on any of your investments. You might get 0.01 or 0.1, but you ain't gonna get 8.04. You just will not. So that's like one of the benefits of getting these staking rewards. Even if you just came in here, you didn't want to go on the vacation, you could just come in and earn the staking rewards, guys. So it's like free passive income. You can trade that out for cash, and you pay your taxes on it. And look, now you made money, and you just had a savings account. It's great. It's great. You just gotta know what you're doing. I'm here to answer questions and point people in the right direction. So some of the wallets that you could use if one wanted to try to do some of this would be Trust Wallet, Binance, Dex, Garda. It's Garda. So I think that might be an ADA based wallet, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. So Trust Wallet, Binance, Dex, Garda, Ledger Wallet. So Ledger Wallet is actually a cold wallet. It's off the network. There's hot wallets and cold wallets, guys. Cold wallets off the network, hot wallets on the network. So Ledger Wallet, their Engine Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Trezor Wallet, SafePal Wallet, Swipe Wallet, Vision Crypto, Meet.one, and Token Pocket. Now, I've never heard of Meet.one or Vision Crypto. I've never heard of Token Pocket or Swipe. Just for your information, I've done a lot of research so far. I just haven't heard of these yet. So, like, I'm not saying that they're not safe or functional wallets. I'm just saying that maybe look into them. I have heard of the Trust Wallet, the Binance Dex, the Garda, the Ledger, the Engine, Atomic, the Trezor, and the SafePal. So the top level wallets up here, this top row, all these I've heard of. They seem pretty safe. If you want to use one of these, I haven't had any issues. I have a couple of these myself. These ones I haven't really heard of. Just maybe take another look for yourself. Do some viewer, reviews. Check out their site. Do your own research on these other ones. Don't just grab a wallet. So, down here, buy, sell, and trade AVA. So you can also just to make a profit on these AVA, right? So they only have 40 million AVA, right? Yeah, 40 million AVA tokens. Well, no, they're going to be doing a burn. As Charles.com's white paper, the AVA repurchasing plan will take place every quarter until... Okay, so they're just going to do a burn until they've burned so many, and this is going to burn 35% of the value, but then they won't be doing any more burns. And this is not like an astronomical amount of tokens, like 1 quadrillion, like SafeMoon. Like this is like an okay amount here. So like the burn is going to increase the value of AVA, which will also help with the staking rewards. Like I said, they're locked in with a lot of they're actually locked in with some big people, right? And this is a decentralized vacation program. So, this is cryptocurrency friendly travel booking, guys, and it's real and it's here. From what I know, this website's legit. It's not a scam. You can buy and sell and trade AVA just to simply make a profit, right? You don't even have to use it for vacation if that's not what you want your utility for. Say you don't care about vacation. You're just like, I just care about money. When I got money, I can buy all the vacations I want. Well, yeah, you could use your money, but the money's not going to give you the benefits that you're getting from all this other stuff, right? So, what you could do if you wanted to get started in this, if you were interested, say you had $10 and you're like, hey, I'm going to put this $10 towards this vacation in a year, 2 years, right? You could download. Now, I have a trick. I have a little trick here. All right, I'm going to share this with you. This is another thing that not a lot of people know. If I were to use my Atomic wallet, and let's say, I'm just going to bring up the Atomic. This is a very important tip. This is going to save you guys a ton of money. We're switching to Geico. Just kidding. We're not switching to Geico. Atomic wallet. So if you go over to the Atomic wallet, this one's legit. It's an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange. Blah, 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 blah. It doesn't only trade Ethereum stuff. I'm pretty sure this is Ethereum-based. I could be wrong, but nevertheless, it is a decentralized wallet. It's easy to set up. When you make this wallet, guys, if you are new to crypto, you hear about all those people who lose their passwords and they never could get their money out. This is one of those situations. You know, you become your own bank. Anonymous, no accounts, no verification, no KYC for this. You know, this is very secure and private, and they do have a great support team. They're a little slow, but this is just a great platform. You can do a lot of exchanges right within your wallet. They support all of these assets here, guys. I mean, here, let's view the full list just so we can get into, just so I'm showing you like as much information as possible. So on the Atomic Wallet, I'm just going to scroll through real slow here. I'm going to crack this beer. I want you guys to just peek at the assets that are on here in case you're wondering, so you don't have to go there yourself. I'll just scroll through them real quick for you. And that way, if you were curious, now you know. Because there's a lot of assets on here that are tradable and exchangeable for each other. You also can purchase these assets directly with a credit card on here, or a debit card from like your bank account or whatever on the wallet. But that's the tip I'm about to tell you about, so you don't really want to do that, guys. You can get all the rewards from the Atomic Wallet, but you really don't want to purchase crypto within the wallet, right? Like, there's a reason for that. You could. It's not going to kill you, especially because a lot of these assets, the fees that they will give you will make, you'll make your money back most likely over time, depending on which assets you could buy or might buy. A lot of times you can at least make your fees back relatively quick. So, oh look, there's the Travala.com Ava coin right there. We were just talking about that in the Atomic Wallet. There it is. And there's also, so like if you were gonna get the Travala.com, they don't have Travala.com staking rewards in the Atomic Wallet. So like it would be purposeless to hold your Ava coin, AVA, Travala, in your Atomic Wallet, because you're not getting those staking rewards of 8.4%. You're not getting that free money, right? Like, you could buy it in your Atomic Wallet if you wanted, but you're going to pay a fee. But like, you could just buy it right on Travala.com, right? And then you're getting those benefits. So they don't offer. That's something you got to look into. If you're going to stake the Travala.com, the Ava, say you're going to stake a couple other coins on Atomic, but your Ava, you're going to want to stake that on a Travala native wallet. So because you're going to get the better benefits there. Okay, they're going to give you more money. So, and there's a crap load of these coins. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Oh my god. Maybe it's not, but it's not good. I'll wait till we get to that beer review. You guys are gonna like that one. Alright, so I went through all these coins. So basically, what you did, so they have this Atomic Wallet, and they have this download button up here, and you want to make sure that you have all your spamware crap on and make sure everything's up. Make sure that it says atomicwallet.io at the top, because if it does not, then you could be getting phished or scammed. Okay, you got to make sure. Sometimes when you click on something, guys, they could place an app right over top of the app. It'll take you to a different website. You enter your credit card information. It's not that big of a deal. You just got to make sure you're checking this stuff. But so you can go over here to the Atomic Wallet, and you can purchase coins. But this is the thing. Here's the secret tip. Okay, when you purchase an Atomic Wallet, you're paying not only an international trading fee through your bank, which is usually not cheap. It's like $4 or $5. If you're spending like $50 or $100, you're paying $4 or $5 to your bank just for an international trading fee. Boom. Don't buy it on Atomic Wallet. Reason number one. Reason number two. Atomic Wallet takes a fee, and their fee is not cheap. And reason number three, you usually pay a small fee to exchange the coin for a network fee. So you're paying 3 fees, guys, on Atomic Wallet. Definitely 2. I'm pretty sure it's 3 though. Okay, 3 fees on Atomic Wallet, and when you're putting $200 in, you're gonna get like 170 in there for real. So you're losing almost $30 of your investment. So there's a way around this, and it's not illegal. It's not wrong. You're not hurting anybody by doing this. There's just a better way. I'm going to show you that. So one of the reasons I'm really beneficial on Coinbase is not only because now are they they're a listed stock on the NASDAQ, but Coinbase, right? Coinbase is great because it's easy to sign up for new users. I trust a lot more of the assets that are on Coinbase than anywhere else. Like if it's not on Coinbase, it could be good, it could not. I don't know. So that's how some people base it. I don't always do that, but like when something gets listed on Coinbase, it usually shoots the price up, right? Because it's easily accessible for everybody. So what you could do is go over to Coinbase, and you can actually set this up within a few minutes. Get some free Bitcoin. Dang it, it's another time I could have my get your free money thing up. I don't know, I keep messing this up. But anyway, so I'm talking about cooler stuff. I'm not worried about that. So what you can do is you can go over to your Coinbase, right, guys? And you can go over to your Atomic, and you could be like, okay, which one of these tokens could I exchange for something that's on Coinbase? Okay, so you can look at the prices, and it tells you right here. If you click on prices, then you go to tradable. There's all assets, tradable, gainers, and losers. Those are the categories. So if you go to tradable, it tells you all the stuff that right here, guys, that is tradable on Coinbase. Okay, so you can actually trade these assets for any of these assets on Coinbase. So if you come up a couple bucks on one, and then you move the profits over, and you come up a couple bucks on that, and now you got a couple bucks, now you're gonna take that from your digital wallet that's on Coinbase. They have a weird wallet. I don't even want to get into that right now because I do use it and I do like it, so I don't want to talk anything bad about them, but they have been hacked a few times, and you're better off. It's hard to explain. You really want to probably use the Coinbase Pro or the Coinbase wallet to make sure that your wallet's not on the centralized exchange part of Coinbase. But even I just like Coinbase for purchasing, right? So that's what I'm about to talk about. It's actually not as good. You can't stake really on this Coinbase. So like they're earning your passive income on Coinbase because you're buying on Coinbase and you're holding your tokens there. You're not earning any passive income on Coinbase. I'm not paying you the dividend or whatever. So what you want to do is you can go on here, link you need to do an ACH transfer, like a wire transfer, right? So there's 2 ways to purchase on Coinbase with US dollar. You could either purchase coins with your debit card, and that's where you're going to probably accrue the fee. You're going to pay a Coinbase fee. You're going to probably pay an international trading fee, all that kind of stuff. Especially with Huntington, they hit you hard on the fees. But if you were to go over to Coinbase and do an ACH transfer, your money sends over instantly. You can send it back instantly. Your limits go up and what you can pull out, yada yada, but it doesn't really cost you anything. There's no fees. You just pay the Coinbase fee. You're not going to get hit with all these bank fees and all this extra fees, right? Network fees and crap. You're going to pay only one of those fees instead of 3 of those fees. That's why you're going to buy on Coinbase if you want to avoid the debit card fee, okay? So then, what would you do then? Okay, so now, if you were to buy one of these assets, like say you bought Cardano down here, I was talking about this the other day, and say you wanted to get the AVA coin, AVA, Truvala, let's say you wanted to get that, or VeChain, or one of those assets. So you could actually buy the Cardano on Coinbase, send it to your Atomic wallet, because you own both of those wallets, right? You have two wallets now, and that's completely free to send money between yourself, between one of your wallets and one of your wallets. There's no taxes on that. So you can send your wallet or your assets from Coinbase over to Atomic and then stake them, and now you're getting those rewards. Okay, and then you can pull them out of the staking, and then you can go to these other third-party like Travala. Well, I'm sure we'll talk about some other ones, but you can go over here with your staking rewards, and boom, you can spend them US dollar. You can pay in euros. You can plan your trip, log in, make an account. You're getting all this money back on the money you're saving, on the money that's going up for crypto. Like, it's nuts, guys. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. So, so if you bought some stuff on Coinbase, you could send it to Atomic, and then you could stake it there, and you could just simply unstake your asset. So like what staking is like Cardano. You gotta watch. Some of these wallets will get you. Okay, the ones I know of specifically is XRP. You have to have minimum 20 XRP just to open a wallet, and that's non-refundable. So when you buy into XRP, guys, 20 of your XRP at whatever value is the coin cost. Right now it's about $30 just to open a wallet. And when you pay for that, it does it automatically. Some of these wallets aren't going to let you know that you're going to be paying that, but XRP, your liquidity is locked into 20 of their tokens when you open your wallet. You can't pull it out. So that's if you're a big if you're very bullish and you really like the utility of XRP and you think it's going places and you really want to buy into it or whatever it is that you do, just remember that it costs you at least $30 on today's video, around there, to open the wallet. And then once you open them, they're non-fungible, they're non-tangible, right? You can't get them back. Anybody that has Dogecoin profits, I wouldn't really be switching it over to Atomic wallet. If you, depending on where you got the Doge, if you bought it on Robinhood, I'm sorry, you don't get any of these benefits, even if you have Dogecoin, because Robinhood is a centralized exchange. They are completely what crypto's against. And even as bad as I talk about Dogecoin sometimes, you still, say you're up like a lot of money on the Dogecoin, you can't just trade the Dogecoin over for a vacation off of Robinhood because they suck. I'm sorry. So I'm sorry I just crushed some of your dreams and hopes and all the point of this video maybe. But for the rest of you who haven't wasted your money on the Dogecoin, or who have already made your profits on the Dogecoin, who are looking to cash out the Dogecoin from Robinhood and maybe get into a real crypto market where your Dogecoin is your Dogecoin, you can actually use the Dogecoin to trade for that vacation that we were talking about. Like Travala accepts Dogecoin. So like Cardano, if you're staking Cardano, you're going to earn Cardano as staking reward. They're going to pay you in Cardano. So if I bring this up real quick, I'll just talk about some of the rates that are on the Atomic for staking rewards. I'm just going to kind of do this on my phone because there is staking on here. I guess I could do it on here. Yeah, so for their staking, they have Atomic Wallet coin. I would try to stay away from this one. I've had issues cashing in and out, guys, of Atomic Wallet coin. Cost me a lot of Ethereum to do it. It's because it's an Ethereum-based wallet. You have to pay an Ethereum for the network fee, and the gas fees were high, super high. It's the most rewarding staking asset, but there's just like better staking assets and wallets out there. Like there's other assets in this wallet that are really good for staking. I would just try to stay away from the Atomic Wallet coin. So like you got Cardano, Zilliqa, Icon, Cosmos, Tezos, Band, and Tron. So let's just say, I'm pretty bullish on Zilliqa, Cardano, and Tron right now. Okay, some of these other ones, Cosmos, Tezos, and Band, these are good ones too. But I'm just a little bit more bullish on some of the other ones. Got in better prices or whatever. So Tron staking, right, guys? If you own Tron, The price right now for one Tron token is 12 cents.
Where's Garrett?
Okay? You can spend $100 or $10 and get a bunch of these. Okay? And then you can add to your position over time, dollar cost average in, and the return on the coin investment is 5%. I'm pretty sure it's annually. ROI, I'm not sure what ROI means. Let's look it up. Return on investment. Okay, that makes sense, right? Super easy to just look it up when you need to figure it out, right? Okay, so you're gonna get 5%, guys, return on your investment, ROI, for staking your Tron in the Atomic Wallet. So if you put $1,000 in there, you're gonna be earning $50, or no, hold on. Yeah, $50 for your stake reward, like probably annually. Okay, so if you go over to your staking and you look at your Cardano, you're earning 5% return on investment annually as well. I believe this is annually. You know, I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't say ROIA, but I'm sure that's how it's calculated annually. Zilliqua, guys, check this out. You ready for this? 16% ROI, return on investment. 16% at 20 cents a coin. Now, is it a good time to buy? I don't know. This is where you would mix the tokenomics with the technical analysis, right? So we would go over to a chart and find out if 20 cents is a pretty good reasonable buy area right now. And if it was, you could make a purchase, and then you're gonna get on that Atomic Wallet 16% return on investment for any money that's held in there, and you're gonna get it back in Zilliqua, right? And then once you get so many of those Zilliqua for free for staking, you can cash them out for cash. And this is, that's how it works. You can send it back, you can exchange it on the wallet and then send it back to Coinbase if you wanted to, and then send it right to your bank account. Boom, done. Within minutes, you're gonna pay taxes on it. In the end of the year, you're gonna pay taxes on that. And I'm gonna do a special tax episode, guys, coming up. They're gonna be cracking down on taxes real hard on crypto. I'm gonna be doing how to easily get your crypto tax done, right? I'm gonna be doing that stream. I'm gonna give you some information on it. So what other staking rewards can you get? I know, I'm pretty sure Zilliqua is the highest. Atomic Wallet token's like, what, 20%? Yeah, it's 20, but like I said, you have to spend so much to invest into it. And then it's just simply the fees. The fees to exchange out of it are high because they want you to keep holding the token, right? And I actually didn't, when I was holding this token, I actually did not receive really any staking rewards. I tried to do it, and it just would not let me, so I would try to stay away from the Atomic Wallet token unless you magically figured out how to work it. But I lost a lot of money by investing in the Atomic Wallet coin, maybe $35 or something just for a fee. And it was like, I made like a $60 investment or something. It wasn't really worth it, but like all these other ones, you're not really going to have that problem. You can stake in and out, like Cardano specifically, just by clicking stake once. Any Cardano that's transacted in or out of the wallet will be staked automatically. And the stuff that's going out isn't going to stake in someone else's wallet. But like, if you were to buy more, it's automatically staked because your wallet address is staked for Cardano. So that's great benefit. And the cool thing is, this wallet staked, guys, for Cardano, you can still trade it if you wanted to. You're always just going to get staking on what you have. So you can trade half of it. You can move half of it to a cold wallet. You can do whatever you wanted with it, and it's great. So I got lost there for a second. We keep getting this like fourth viewer that keeps popping in. Like, I don't know if it's like a new viewer and another viewer left, or if it's like cycling viewers, or like if I don't know, man. No one's talking in the chat. No one ever messages, and there's always people watching, but they don't ever say hi. Like, hello, people. How are you guys doing? I hope your night is going well. I really appreciate you guys watching me and learning about all this fantastic, passive income, vacations, and just being here with me today. I appreciate you. You mean a lot to me. You're just the 3 people who care about making money this year, I guess. 3 people out of the entire world cares about making money today. That's crazy. You guys are the 3 lucky people, for real. So, you learned about passive income. I'm going to do this beer review. This beer, oh my lord. Let me do this beer review, guys. Oh no, what happened? Oh no. Hold on, guys. Let me pull up the window capture here. I closed the window. It's all good. There it is. Okay. So... Okay. I'm going to turn my webcam back on now. Can you guys see me? Great. Awesome. We're going to put this beer review up real quick. And I'm going to throw on some... Hold on, I'm trying to... I exited out of my window on accident. And it got me all jacked up now. So I gotta fix it. Sorry. There we go. Should be looking sweet now. Alright, so this beer, guys, is a hazy double IPA. Its brewer is Dew Claw Brewing. I believe they make White Claw. I like their Java... What was it? Sweet Baby Jesus. They make Sweet Baby Jesus. That's pretty good. That peanut butter cup. This one is called It Was All a Dream Sickle. The rating. Well, you guys heard me take a sip of it earlier. So let me pull this up. This is a IPA, guys, and it's a double IPA. I used to drink IPAs a lot, but I've been more of like a porter or stout drinker lately. I still like some Blue Moons and some other lighter beers, but I try to stay away from like IPAs a little bit because they get that really bitter taste, right? So I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to give this one I'm gonna have to give it like a 1, which is a very low rating, but I'm almost not even able to drink this right now because it's just so bitter. Could just be my taste buds. I've drinking them before. It was not that good. It's an 8.5% volume or alcohol per volume, so I guess it's pretty strong, but it's just like sends that like chill down your back, So I'm gonna update that. Let's take a look at the crypto bubbles. And I'm probably gonna go more into passive income and staking as the channel goes along. We gotta get some more viewers in here, guys. We gotta get some people talking about this channel. We need some shares, we need some likes, we need, I'm sure you 3 awesome, dedicated viewers have already done all that, so I'm not gonna bug about it anymore, but thank you. Thank you for being here, right? There's Atomic Wallet. There, we went over. Give me a second here. I'm gonna change the song and figure out what I want to talk to you about next, and see the time because I do have to work tomorrow. It's 11:30 already. Dang, guys. Dang. It's 11:30. Well, I mean, how long have we been streaming for? You know what? Doesn't matter. Just give me a second. I'm sure we'll find at least one more cool thing to talk about. Then I'll let you guys go here. It's getting late. Everybody's got to go to work tomorrow, I'm sure. Just give me 1 second here. The song I just switched the song I just switched to is called "The Cat Shat in the Box." Just to let you know. I don't know if your cat shat in the box, but that's the song. So enjoy it. Be right back. All right, sorry about that. I just want to stand up and stretch. My back was a little sore. So, I have to go over this Chili's token sometime too. That'll be a nice episode. Chili's token, if you guys are unaware, CHZ, I believe. That's right here. This is the CHZ crypto bubble. So what this utility is, and I'll probably do an episode on this because this is kind of cool. Could be something that's really going to be changing the future of sports for you sports fans. It enables you to participate in team votes and get huge discounts on merchandise. You can get free things, NFT official sports player NFTs. You get special access to stuff like that. I'm going to get into that Chili's token. Right now, they're mainly soccer and MMA. It's based in Europe, the Chili's token is, but it's creating a great value. It's up a little bit right now. It's probably not a super great buy opportunity, but long term, probably okay. Really great utility for this token. You look it up on CoinGecko. I'm going to end up talking about that because I know there's a lot of football and baseball and basketball fans, right? And that will have a huge impact on maybe the NFL, the NHL, the MLB, stuff like that. The Chili's token, it could potentially decentralize sports, which is crazy to say, but it would give the people voting power on like drafts, and it would all be like basically calculated by like votes that way. So it'd be kind of cool to see that change a little bit. I'll do a whole thing on that. Matic token doing things. I don't know. Let's look at a couple charts, I guess. I mean, I've got a few more minutes before I get out of here. Let's look at the Ava coin, right? Let's see what that is. What that is. Like what the chart looks like on that. Yeah, thank you, John Dice. Sorry, that was my first reaction of the first person who liked my stream, and it was exciting, right? That's what we're looking for. We're looking for some interaction, some questions. If you have a question, you can type it on the screen. I can try to provide you an answer. Thank you for interacting. Thanks, John Dice. And that... Ooh, I spelled it wrong, I think. Yeah, I did. Yeah. I spelled it wrong. But anyways, thank you for being here, John. And so I went over to tradingview.com, and for those of you who don't know, tradingview.com is where you can look at all of your stocks, your crypto. You can look at like lumber prices. You can look at like the debt of the US dollar. I mean, pretty much anything that has a dollar value, you can look at on TradingView. So we're gonna come over here. Anything that's worth anything. Hopefully. Okay, so Truvalo.com, USD, US dollar calculated by TradingView. There's there's crypto Binance, there's HIT, Bitcoin, Poloniex, Binance, Qcoin. These are all exchanges, guys. There's a lot of different ones. If you're gonna want to look at the AVA coin for Truvalo that we talked about earlier with the 8.4% staking that you can spend on vacations, if you want to talk about that one specifically, you can come over here to TradingView, type that in, click on it, full feature chart, because we use the real chart, guys, not the little mini estimated moving average thing. So I'm going to stretch out this so that you can see more. Cool. All right, so this is the AVA coin on the 4 hour. Wow, guys, this is looking. It's had a markup, you know. So in this situation, if we're gonna bring up a chart, we could go. You know, we want to zoom out. We can see that it had some kind of all-time high at $4.27 over here, and see this big green candle wick here. Right there. That's August 5th, 2020. The high was $4.25. Okay, $4.25. You had a huge mark off. You had a huge sell off. Then look at all this beautiful accumulation, guys. This consolidation. This the accumulation. They're buying up the asset because there's not that many of these, right? The supply is low. That's what we look for in tokenomics, a lower supply. It's not super low, but it's not too high. You know, it's not for one quadrillion or Dogecoin where it doesn't have a market cap, right? So what you're seeing here on this chart is pretty even consolidation, right? It had a spike as soon as it came out. This was probably the IPO or ICO, the initial coin offering, when they initially offered it to the public or to private investors right here. Then it sold off. You had some consolidation here where it was being bought up, but it wasn't really making, you know, like it hit its all-time low and then it just made higher lows from there. Like right here on October 30th, 2020, it had its all-time low. And since then, yeah, I'm going to draw a line on that so everybody can see it. So since the all-time low right here at 34 cents, 34.9 cents, it's literally just made higher lows and higher highs consistently since its lowest low. So that's super bullish, guys. That's good. We're bullish traders. We're not bearish traders. This is a coin. You don't want to try to short this. You will get wrecked. You know, you're not going to short this coin. So one could draw a trend line like this. It's got nice upsloping consolidation. You had this back test right here, and it back tested this high. It didn't actually. It actually back tested this high, right? This $3.58 right here, 56 cents. It back tested this high. This is like a wick over here. If you were to zoom in on that, I bet you that's a wick. This candle. So like, if just, you know, if you're going off these charts, you want to try to play most of the time off of the stick, right? The candle stick, the actual body, the square part of it, not off these wicks, because the wicks don't give you as much valid information as the candlesticks do. So you see that huge green line. It looks like this. You see this huge green line right there as I'm moving out. That looks like a big candlestick, but it's actually a wick. So you want to look at that kind of stuff. It's just not as safe to play off the wick. You're safer playing off the candlestick, right? So, oh, you guys didn't hear that. Sorry. So we drew a trend line right here. That's what this is. I went from this low. I just picked this low at the bottom. It touches here, and then it touches up here. And I tried to go off the bottom of the candle instead of the wick up here, because you can see like this candle down here, this wick is lower than this trend line, right? But it, for the most part, has been running in an upwards consolidation. So not only is it going upwards, but it's not. What's different about this asset than like Dogecoin or something that's just hugely marked up recently, right? This is still, I think this is still at value areas. This is still at a pretty good buy-in area. It's been marked up, you know, but I would say for long term, with the utility of the token, the tokenomics behind it are great. It probably would be a decent long-term token to hold, you know, especially with the vacation stuff. As long as you stay above, as long as the price. Now you just had a pullback, which is good because now it's consolidating. You could see lower prices coming up, but it could just take another dip and make that confirmation low, right? And if it stays above this trend line and it stays above $3.45, guys, if it stays, because you know, we're looking left, we're looking at the history. What has this chart done? You know, where does it have this high right here from the February 25th, 2021, and it was at $3.45. That high, what did it do? It came up, it was following this nice trend line, upwards consolidation. It hit that that line at 345, and then it showed it as resistance, right? So since it hit that line, it sold off, and that was a resistance point. Then what happened? It was so bullish and never even came down to back test the trend line or the old high or anything. It just took off. And then look up here. It broke out above the old all-time high within a couple days afterwards, you know? And then it back tested that high. It came up, broke through. So this was the resistance. Then it fell, sold off. Then it broke through that line that it showed a resistance, and now it's back testing it as support. So when it breaks through and back tested it as support, that means it's probably going to keep running upwards. Okay, that's bullish. It's a bullish indication. So if you bought in down here and then it ran up to this and then sold off a little bit, and you were worried it could sell off, you know, back down to like $1.31, and then you see it go and take off again and then back test that old high, right, you know, within a couple days, you know, that right there, that's just super bullish confirmation. It's just great. It's great. This is probably a decent asset to hold long term. Obviously down here was a better buy-in opportunity, right? Like 39 cents or, you know, like 78 cents, but it's not 60,000 like Bitcoin prices, right? So, I mean, realistically, I think that one could make a profitable trade long term on this, if you're willing to wait, you know. But it hasn't mooned yet. It hasn't gone straight up. So it's you know, if you look at some of these other assets that have gone parabolic and just gone straight up, you can't buy those now because you're gonna probably lose money. Look at Dogecoin, you know. Let me get rid of. Just trying to clear some of this mess up so you can see what I'm trying to show you. So, like, you know, Dogecoin that everybody's talking about, which I don't invest in, but I do talk about it because everybody likes it. It doesn't have really a utility, right? You're not going to get a free vacation by buying Dogecoin at this point. You just aren't. And maybe if you bought down here, you know, last year, but now that it's marked up and it's gone parabolic like it has, it's going to be really hard for it to go any higher because it's gone up so fast in such a short period of time that like the market cap almost needs to correct itself, which it's been doing, you know. It did just have a double bottom here, but I don't even want to talk about that. So what happened to this asset? Look, you know, looking at Ava and the nice consolidation upwards we're having, this asset went parabolic. I mean, that is literally, I can't even draw a parabolic trend line on that because I guess I can. Wrong. Okay, look at that. Do you see that line I just drew? That's straight up. You don't want to buy in up here. You're going to get wrecked, man. You don't want to buy in up here, whoever's wondering about buying Dogecoin. Do not buy up here above, you know, 46 cents, 42 cents, something like that. That's way too high. It's just great. There's nothing to back this coin. And as we know, Doge Day, everybody was like, Doge to $1, Doge to $1. Everybody said Doge was going to $1 on Doge Day, which was what, April Fool's Day or 420 or whatever it was. It didn't hit $1. It sold off right here. This time, sold off. And then what happened? Everybody was hype on it. Elon Musk was supposed to post about it or talk about it on the Saturday Night Live, and it was going to go to $1 again, right? Everybody said it was going to go to $1. Rejected. And you made a new all-time high. So now you're going to have to surpass that to ever even get close to $1. So just stay away from Dogecoin right now. It's just not like the thing, dude. It really isn't. So, thank you guys for interacting with me. It's getting late. I'm going to go eat some more food. I have to go to work tomorrow. Thank you for interacting with me for the first time tonight. Hopefully we get some more viewers. What I said today about the vacations was true. You know, you really could earn a free vacation, or you really could earn a passive incoming vacation if you're willing to be patient and you had a little bit of investment money and you use your brain and did some research. I'm here to answer any questions. This is not financial advice, but I can point you in the right direction as far as which wallets are okay, as far as like being user friendly. You know, just don't go out there and buy the first thing you guys hear talking about on Facebook, okay? Because you're probably gonna get wrecked, and you're gonna go, oh, I put $500 in and it's gone, or you know, and it's like there ain't nobody that's backing that money, dude. It's crypto. So I will get into more stock stuff too, but like right now, it's hard to be talking about stocks when crypto's doing what crypto's doing. You know what I mean? Like, there's more money in it right now in crypto than stocks. So, and they're actually talking about tokenizing the stock market. So you could actually trade, send, and buy, sell, like pieces of Amazon. So they'd have like Amazon coin. They'd have like Tesla coin. They'd have like all these other coins. So like you could actually trade some of your crypto for stocks and vice versa. It's being talked about right now. So, but thank you guys for coming out. Thank you for being part of the stream. You know, you can always support the stream by smashing the like, the bell, the subscribe. There's a link down there if you want to donate a couple bucks. That'd be great. I just went and bought a new mic today. Show you guys this Snowball Ice mic. I did spend some money on the computer, so I'm just trying to make a little back on my investment if you have a couple bucks to spare. But yeah, I'm just out here. You know, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to know about a specific crypto, some of the tokenomics or utilities of it, you know, reach out, you know, send me a message. And please be safe out there. Don't buy any scams. And, you know, just be safe and invest in yourself, right? That's what we need to do as people, invest in ourselves, because ain't nobody is going to do this for us. I'm getting ready to get out of here now, so thank you